Hey guys, today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to import from Rhino to 3ds Max. So here we've got an example of a little project of a pocket park. So in order to get this file across, we need to go and do a save as. So file, save as. Let's put it into this folder. And we need to save this as a 3D Studio or .3ds. Okay, so save. Okay. Yep. And then I'll bring our 3D Max across. And we go file, so just open up a new 3ds Max file and go imports. Yep, so Pocket Park, open, and yes, we want to merge into the current scene, that's fine. And there we have our model across from Rhino. So we can move around in there if we need to. Whoops. And this is a bit heavy just because of all the geometry that's in there, but we can send that back how we want it. Yep. And it's imported our blocks as well. So very handy tool to have, and then we can perform some potential sun analysis or other simulations, as well as potential rendering. We can render it out in this program as well. So, and that's it for today. Thank you.